Unlock the full cinematic potential of your Nikon Z9 footage in DaVinci Resolve 19 with this essential guide to optimizing your workflow. Begin by ensuring your Nikon Z9 is set to record in a professional codec like ProRes or H.265 at your desired resolution and frame rate. These formats offer the best balance of quality and manageable file sizes for post-production. Once inside DaVinci Resolve 19, navigate to the Media page and simply drag and drop your Nikon Z9 video files into the media pool. Resolve is incredibly efficient at handling these files, even in higher resolutions. Now, let's move to the color page, the heart of professional grading for Nikon Z9 footage, especially when shot in log. You'll want to start with a LUT that intelligently converts the log gamut to a viewable Rec. 709 color space. DaVinci Resolve 19 offers a range of excellent built-in LUTs, or you can use a specific log to Rec. 709 conversion LUT. After applying your initial LUT, fine-tune the image using the color wheels. Adjust the lift to control the shadows, gamma for the midtones, and gain for the highlights. Pay close attention to skin tones by using the qualifier tools to isolate and adjust specific color ranges. Finally, head to the Deliver page to export your masterpiece for broad compatibility and excellent compression. Choose H.265 as your format. Select a preset like YouTube or Vimeo 4K if you're uploading online, or customize your settings for broadcast standards. Ensure your resolution and frame rate match your project settings for optimal output. By following these steps, you'll transform your Nikon Z9 footage into polished, professional-grade video ready for any platform. Happy editing!